Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to show all sheets in Excel. Why would you want to know how to show all sheets in Excel? Well, maybe you have many sheets in work and it's not professional to move right and left to select your sheet. So today I am going to show you how to show all sheets in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now, if you have many sheets, it's unprofessional to search with going right and left. Just we go and click here, right click on the mouse. Choose the sheet you want, press OK. That easy. There you go. If you want to know how to show all sheets in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to show all sheets in Excel, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.